What is up, everybody? So today we are actually making another Monster Toy review. I think we have a few days that we didn't make a Monster Toy review. And the last Monster Toy review was Torpedo, right? And this time we are actually reviewing about a Ultraman monster. Can you guys guess it? I'll give you 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have Jamila, guys. Jamila. So, yep, you can just see So Jamila is a monster that appeared in Ultraman. Let's see what episode is he inside. Yep. Jamila is in episode 23. Yep. Earth was once my home. That was it, yep. So guys, a lot of people if they don't know Jamila's name, I'm pretty sure they will call him Rockman, and this is not Rockman, okay guys? I know it looks like a rock, but it is actually Jamila, guys. Too sad. I didn't actually got a card, like a tag from Jamila, because this was actually second-handed from my cousin. He gave it to me, and I'm just really happy that we have him. So yeah, let's take out the colors first. I'm just so glad that he has some details over here, like the green. And to be honest, I do think he is like a Rockman, and look at the cracks. But can I just make my reaction on Ultraman, the episode 23, Earth was once my home? I think when Jamil died in the mud of water, he was suffering to death. So I'm actually kind of feel bad for him, but it was a really good fight with Ultraman that time. And I want to say, in my opinion, I think Jamila is one of the weakest monsters, but not as weak as Busca or Pigmon. Don't get me wrong, it's Pigmon, not Garamon, because Garamon is one of my favorite monsters. So we also have a mouth here. I do not know why it is so creepy, the eyes. But it does look funny to me too. I'm going to pause for a few seconds to look at the designs of him. If you guys didn't know about the powered Jamila, I actually have a powered Jamila too, but it's absolutely different from this. This is from Ultraman Powered, and yeah, it's just really cool. Yeah, and also, let's talk about the available parts that are made like. I'm not the legs are not movable, but they're only the hands that are movable. I'm so happy. I'm so glad that I got them. They're probably top 50 if I wanted to buy a Monster Toy. You know, there's actually 2 Jamilas. This is only 1 Jamila. There's another toy, but the hands are different here. Yeah, you know. If this doesn't have a tag, I'm pretty sure it's for $430, but in HKD, but no tag, $150, very cheap. If it was me, I think this is much more better than the Mud Hand one here. So yeah, he's actually one. I'm actually gonna make another, like, you know, maybe a movable part or something, maybe. Like, episode, if you guys have watched my stop motion video, you know, the Ultraman episode 1, the birth of Ultraman, yeah, that was a great one too. So, yeah. Please go and watch it when you're done with this. I'm actually gonna make a battle with this and maybe Ultra 7. Just maybe spoil it for you guys for a bit. But if I didn't do it, please remind me if you know me. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what abilities does he have. I'm not sure what ability he has because I already watched that episode 2 times only. But for now, I think I haven't watched that in months. That episode in months already. So I'm not sure if I can answer you that. Yeah, and also the seagull ass thing. Yeah, just go and watch the stop motion videos. But I'm not sure what he has unknown. Maybe just some power. But I'm sure he knows his. We all know his weakness. And if we have watched Ultraman episode 23, it is. Can you guys guess it? It's one of the elements. I'll give you 3 choices: fire, water, and nature. Who would you choose? I'll give you 30 seconds. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm pretty sure you guys have guessed it. It's water, basically, because he was dying like this. I'll show you. He was doing this. Yeah, he was dying like this when, and his sounds. I mean, it's also kind of creepy and funny too. I'll agree at the same time. I'm very sure this is made by Bandai. Wait, let me see. Yes, it is made in Bandai, made in China. 2001. Made in the year 2001. It's close to Marmite Aegis, but yeah. If I have to compare it to Jamila and Tapito last toy review, I'll probably choose Jamila. It looks better than Tapito. Even though if Tapito's Marmite and it's more expensive, I'll look at the details first. I won't compare the expensiveness. Okay, let's go to see the history of Jamila. I actually want to find if Jamila is here. Nope, Jamila is not here. I'm not sure if Jamila has any minor. Oh wait, we do. We do have a minor appearance as the live stage, I think. But yeah, episode 23. Yep, episode 23, guys. But I'm sure he has some minor appearances before. Yeah. So now I'm gonna talk about, guys, just I'm gonna do the reaction on the story of if you saw a story, maybe I'm gonna do a reaction on episode 23. My reaction is funny and kind of sad because Jamila is one of my top 50 favorite monsters in the toys. She died very innocent, And actually, Jamila, if you guys didn't know about that, fun fact about this. If you guys never watch Ultraman episode 23, spoiler alert, if you still want to enjoy this video, just keep watching. If you don't want to get spoiled, leave this video now because I'm actually spoiling a lot of points about the episode 23 actually. So if you don't want to get spoiled, just get out of this video, okay? Yeah, so it's like actually Jamila is a human before, but then he left the space, and then also Jamila has a invisibility spaceship that even the science patrol couldn't even find it. But Eddie was fast. He can already see that it was an invisibility UFO. So yeah, UFO stands for unidentified unidentified flying object. Yep. So, if there was a toy about the invisibility UFO, I would buy it, I really will buy it. And now let's talk about where you can buy it. So, I have seen a lot of people buying this. You can buy from Ace Point's Amazon. Yeah, I would agree to buy at Ace Point because Amazon is Amazon is much more expensive than Ace Point. And also, if you know the Omakacho in the W Plaza, so then you can go there and buy it $150, but in Ace Point $430. So okay, if you want to go to Ace Point, then go. Okay. So now I'm gonna talk about where did I buy it? Okay, guys, if you were listening to me just now, I did not buy it. My cousin gave me it for free. He gave me also a Ultraman Cosmos Alien Baltan, the second form. It was really cool. Next time I'll make a short about that too. A short tour review about the Alien Baltan Cosmos version. He even gave me a lot of Ultraman Tiga toys. I really would want that. For now, I think in the set I really like about it is Jamila and Red King. He also gave me a Red King, but I don't know where I put it. Maybe one of my Ultraman boxes. But now it's time for ranking. Oh yes, so ranking time. Do I like the Power Jamila or the original Jamila? You guess. And yeah. I'll give you guys 10 seconds to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, time's up, guys. The answer is Power Jamila, guys. Power Jamila is much more better than the original Jamila. But don't get me wrong, I still really like Jamila. And fun fact, this is actually an arm, not the head. This is just a face, and then here the arms things. Yep. But goodbye. For now, I'm still thinking what other kaiju should I make. I think what I got in mind is just Alien Mephilas or Utom or or is that called Snowgon? I don't know if it's Snowgon, but yeah. Goodbye, and see you next time for the other monster tour review or a stop motion episode.